what do we see the problem in America? Because of the very fact that for today's debate, we're setting this context of today's debate in America. But what do we see the problem in America right now? Because right now what we see is that the major companies, such as your Citicorp, your auto car industries, are actually falling into huge debts. And the huge debts we are talking about is worth millions of dollars. And the thing is that what we see is that within these companies, there is no credit flowing around to one another. So as such, we can see that business cannot be carried out because after all, people are just falling and falling into huge debt. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we say that protectionism actually come in, by the sense that we actually say refer to this as the government payouts. With regulations enforced. And what kind of regulation enforced are we talking about? We're actually talking about regulations on how this money are being handled, such as clear examples like how CEOs are not supposed to have huge bonus payout at the end of the month or rather the year, and also like a huge change of how the financial how the financial and the management system is supposed to change. And as such, this money will be used to prevent these companies from going bankrupt, and as such, we can say that credit in a way will be flowed around in the first place. Now, as such, we put forth to you, Mr. Speaker, that entirely this whole idea of using money to actually fund these companies may not be the current, or rather may not be the ideal solution to solve the whole economic crisis. But right now, what we put forth to you is that in order to prevent, no thank you, because right now what we see is that these companies are really falling to debt. And we prove to you why, in a sense that how these huge companies we're talking about, which actually fall in debt, will in fact affect a huge number of detrimental effects coming along with it. Yes.
So what is the case? What are you defining to be your protectionism in this instance?
Now, what we're talking about is that whenever there is a company forming themselves with huge debts, and that's caused by the economic crisis. Right now, what you said, as long as the company goes to the government for help, the government will be there to actually give them the money. But in fact, these regulations these regulations will be in fact be tied all together with the money. As such, we will say that this is in fact the necessary tool to actually prevent companies from going bankrupt at the very moment. And in fact, if you're talking about better solutions to actually solve the financial crisis, we can say that we should save the company first, rather than wasting time and talk about finding ways to actually thinking of good solutions to actually solve the financial crisis. We will just tie both solutions together, and which is to actually save the company and to work out a better solution. Sit down, madam. Now, as such, as the first speaker, we'll be talking about how is it that the whole idea of nature of American financial market is in fact a huge role in this economic recovery, or rather the economic crisis. I also be talking about how the role of the government is in fact justified in actually providing money for these companies to prevent themselves from going bankrupt. My second speaker will talk about how is it that the whole idea of the whole detriments of not using government payouts, in this case, to actually protect these companies from going bankrupt. So moving to the first point on the whole idea of the nature of American financial market. Mr. Speaker, what we see is that within this whole country, within the companies, what we see is that be it or not the major companies within America, such as your Citigroup and your auto industry, they are also minor companies that are also in a way linked to the major companies in the sense of indirect business transaction. So in the sense that if we do not save the major companies from going into a huge debt, in a sense, you can see there's a clear indication that in a way it will affect the entire industry within America by itself, within America by itself. Because I'm very sure the link between the major companies and minor companies, or rather major and minor industries within America. So in the fact that even though this may just affect, or rather, even though this is within America, within America, what we see is that in effect, because of that, they have major roles in other world markets as well, such as every other countries. Like they have MNCs going to every single country to actually set up business. So if the headquarters of America is not being safe, what you can see is that this in fact affect the entire world business as well, because such as the clear indication of the Wall Street, you can see that because of the failure of the Wall Street, it in fact create a huge disruption in the world market credit. Also moving on to next point, which is on the role of the government. What we see is that now, No, thank you, madam. What we see is that, Mr. Speaker, what we see is that even within this economic crisis, who are the people being affected? What we see is that people who are affected are the working class, Mr. Speaker. So that as such, being the government, you are being, no, sit down, madam. Being the government, you are being elected to actually do your best for the people. And as such, once you see that the people are really in huge trouble of losing their jobs, not getting any money for their own basic lifestyle because of losing their job, the government is there to save the companies from going bankrupt. Because if the company do not go bankrupt, this is where the working class, sit down both of you, this is where the working class get their jobs. This is where the companies, because in a way that we are very full view of the fact that there's already credit going around countries within these companies once the government actually pump money into each companies. So as such, business can actually be carried out, and as such, and also it also leads to the fact that people will still keep the job, and also it will prevent a huge world market from going into a worse situation for. No, thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, what have I showed you? I showed you the right fact that because the fact that the current situation is that this is to prevent the current companies from going bankrupt, and as such, to prevent this company bankrupt, we should not just think of just title of big generous solution to actually help to change the entire financial market. Right now, what we see is that we should do is to just pump money straight into these companies, prevent them from going bankrupt, and as such, it will actually lead to more benefits because after all, it will bring about many benefits to the other working class, not just within America and also people around the world as well. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we are very proud to propose. Thank you.